Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take you through part of episode 3, and this is the space repair section. And we'll give it a second to open up here. And this one we have to repair. So that we're going to be working with our edit screen. It tells us we're going to need to create a path to the points and then to the goal, that we are using the erase tool, and if I delete too many blocks, I can add more. So we need to have 20 or more, but we still need a path in some way. So I'm going to click on Repair Game. I'm going to change to Edit up here, and this is our delete tool. So then I'm going to have to go through and change some sprites around so that I have a path. So here we go. So I'm just going to go in and I need to make a path to there. I'm going to do it the easiest way I can and just get rid of those. And when I'm ready, I need to play it to see if I can do this. And I realize I screwed up because I forgot I need to get those dots. So I have to go back and edit it again. So I'm going to delete even more of them. I only need 20, so 20 bricks total. And you can do this any old way you want. You can create this space however you want it to look. This is just how I'm going to do it. And now I'm going to try playing. So I'm going to go over, get my dots. And there we go. And now I've got a red block as part of my sprites.